So good day, Sir Almeida. My name is Jesus Jumong Aquino. So today, I will demonstrate my written demonstration on assessing the mouth, throat, nose, and sinuses. So first is to check the patient's chart and identify the patient. So sir, my name is Jesus Jumong Aquino, your student nurse for today. So may I know your name and birth date po?
My name is Mark Capule, June 5, 2001.
So next is to prepare all the materials or the supplies to be used, such as the gloves, the tongue depressor, the nasal speculum or the otoscope, the pen light, and the gauze. Next is to explain the procedures. So today I will assess your mouth, throat, nose, and sinuses, sir. I will be touching several parts of your body. Is it okay po?
Yes.
Okay. Next is to perform hand hygiene and observe inspection, quality control measurements. After that is to provide patients privacy. So I will be closing the curtain, sir. Next is to raise the bed to appropriate working height and make sure the light is adequate. So next is to inspect the mouth. So inspect the outer lips for symmetry of contour, color, and texture, and ask the patients to pursue as if they are whistling their lips po. So can you position your lips, sir, just like you are whistling po. Okay. Okay, after that is inspect and palpate the inner lips for and buccal mucosa for color, moisture, texture, and the presence of lesions. So I'll be touching your lips, sir. Okay. As if for the findings, it is normal naman po. Next is the to inspect the teeth and the gums while examining the inner lips and the buccal mucosa. Sir, can you open your mouth po? Okay, so as for observation, it appears to be normal. Next is to inspect and palpate the tongue for position, color, and texture, and ask the patients to protrude the tongue and remove gloves. I'll be using a pen light, sir. So can you alabas ito yung dila niyo, sir? Okay. So, can you move your tongue upward po? Downward, sideward. Okay. Next, after that is to inspect the hard and soft palate for color, shape, and texture, and the presence of bony prominences. So, can you open your mouth, sir? Raise your head po. Okay, after that is to inspect the tonsils and the color, and for the tonsils for the color consistency regarding scale of 1, 2, 3, 4 positive. So sir, I'll be asking you to open your mouth again. Can you alabas ito yung tongue niyo? Close ay yung tongue niyo po ay pasok niyo na. Move upward pa sir. Okay, it appears to be normal. So after that is to palpate the maxillary and the frontal sinuses for tenderness. So I will be touching dito po sa may um, lower mata nyo po. Then sa eyelids nyo po. Okay, after that is to percuss and transilluminate the sinuses for versus fluids or pus. So sir, tell me if you experience pain po when touching your forehead and your cheekbones po. Do you feel any pain, sir? Okay, after that is to document the findings according to the facility protocol accurately. So, after documenting the findings, reports in proper uniform, grooming, decorum, and displays appropriate decorum and shows resourcefulness. So, yun lang po. Okay na.